Pydantic AI's capability system lets you extend an agent's behavior by subclassing AbstractCapability and attaching lifecycle hooks that intercept model responses. Here, one that redacts email addresses and phone numbers before the response reaches the caller. The after model request hook receives a model response, scans its TextPart contents, and substitutes PII patterns with placeholder strings, returning the modified response through the normal flow. An agent is instantiated with this capability passed via the capabilities parameter, and a synchronous run retrieves the redacted output.
Import Ray. From data classes, import data class. From typing, import any. From Pydantic AI, import agent, model request context, run context. From Pydantic AI, capabilities, import AbstractCapability. From Pydantic AI, messages, import model response, TextPart. At data class, class PII redaction, guardrail AbstractCapability any. Redacts email addresses and phone numbers from model responses. Async def after model request. Self. CTX, run context any. Request context, model request context. Response, model response. Model response. For part in response parts. If is instance apart, text part. Hash redact email addresses. Part content equals ray sub. RAZAZ0-9. Percent plus plus ATZ AZ0-9 plus \AZ AZAZ2. Email redacted. Part content. Hash redact phone numbers, simple US pattern. Part content equals ray sub. R\B\D3, \D3, \D4 \B. Phone redacted. Part content. Return response. Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5, 2. Capabilities equals PII redaction guardrail. Result equals agent. Run sync what's Jane's contact info. Print result, output. You can reach Jane at email redacted or phone redacted.
This is a guardrail capability using the after model request hook to intercept and redact PII from model responses. The PII redaction guardrail, class subclasses, AbstractCapability. Implementing after model request, which iterates over response parts, matches TextPart instances, and applies regex substitutions for email addresses and US phone numbers before returning the modified model response. The capability is registered on the agent via the capabilities parameter, which composes it into the agent's lifecycle. This is the standard pattern for output filtering guardrails in Pydantic AI, hook into after model request, mutate response parts in place, return the response. It's lightweight since it doesn't need tools or instructions, just a lifecycle hook. Trade-off is regex-based detection is naive, so false positives and missed PII are real concerns in production. A proper implementation would use an LLM or dedicated PII detection service. But this pattern gives you the extension point to plug that in without changing agent wiring. Let's break it down.
Import Ray. From data classes, import data class.
Imports the standard library regex module and the data class decorator for creating data classes.
At data class, class PII redaction, guardrail AbstractCapability any. Redacts email addresses and phone numbers from model responses.
Declares a data class named PII redaction guardrail inheriting from AbstractCapability any, with a docstring describing its purpose as redacting email addresses and phone numbers from model responses.
Async def after model request. Self. CTX, run context any.
Defines an async lifecycle hook that fires after a model response, accepting a run context as its first argument.
Agent equals agent OpenAI. GPT-5. 2. Capabilities equals PII redaction guardrail. Result equals agent. Run sync what's Jane's contact info. Print result, output.
Creates an agent configured for the GPT-5, 2 model with a PII redaction guardrail capability. Runs it synchronously asking for Jane's contact info and prints the response. That's the guardrail pattern subclass AbstractCapability. Implement after model request. Iterate over TextPart instances in the response, mutate content with regex substitutions, return the modified model response. The capability attaches to agent through the capabilities parameter, fires after the model responds, and gives you output filtering without needing tools or instructions. The trade-off is straightforward. Regex catches some PII, but misses edge cases and generates false positives, so the real value here is the extension point itself. You can swap in an LLM or dedicated PII service without touching agent wiring.
PII redaction guardrail hooks after model request. TextPart dissolves Jane's email into brackets that breathe where numbers once sang.